Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. This is one of the most popular e-readers out there. Well, if you love reading and are planning to start, this little device might change the way you read books forever. So before we get started with the review, let us have a look at the unboxing experience. So this is the box in which the Kindle Paperwhite comes in. It is a simple cardboard box which lists all of the specifications at the bottom. As you can see, it says the key specifications over here. Opening up the box, let us look what all things do we get inside the box. So as you can see, first of all, it is the Kindle itself. It is covered in a plastic wrap. And let us look further what inside is there. This is a cool cardboard iteration of the Kindle logo. We also get a USB cable for charging and some quick cards, guides and other documentation for the Kindle Paperwhite. Let us keep it aside and get started with the main thing. So first of all, looking into the cable, this is the cable which you get. It is USB Type C and Type A cable for charging the Kindle. The good thing is that from the previous model, it was micro USB and now it is changed to Type C. That is a really good feature so that you don't have to carry multiple cables around. You can use any Type C cables. Let us have a first look at the Kindle itself, and this is how it looks. And if you are thinking that it is a sticker or something, it is not. It is directly on the e-ink display. So, what is Kindle Paperwhite? Well, for those who don't know, the Kindle Paperwhite is a device that is made just for reading books. Unlike phones or tablets, it has no notifications, no apps, no distractions, just pure books. It's like carrying an entire library in your pocket. Well, speaking about the design and display, this Kindle Paperwhite is super light and easy to hold. This makes it perfect for reading with one hand, whether you are on the bed, commuting, or even relaxing outside. The screen is 6.8 inches and it is glare free. This makes it easy to read, just like a real book under bright sunlight. Well, it also has adjustable warm light as well, so that your eyes don't get tired when you are reading at night. And guess what? It is waterproof as well. It is IPX8 rated, so that you can read it by the pool or in the bathtub without worrying about anything, or even in the rain as well. Well, speaking about reading experience, reading on the Kindle is smooth and enjoyable. I've been using the Kindle Paperwhite model since 2017. I used that model for 6 to 7 years and then upgraded to this model last year. It was all good in the older model as well, but I did not want it to risk it because it was getting old with age. Well, you can change the font size, font type, spacing and everything to suit your style as well. Turning the pages is quick and the screen does not reflect like a phone, so there are no distractions or even eye strain. And you can also highlight the text, take notes and even look up for meaning instantly by using the built-in dictionary. Well, it is great for students, language learners and anyone who likes to read actively. Well, what about battery life and storage? The battery life on this one is incredible. It lasts several weeks on a single charge. That is mind-blowing. No need to plug it every day like a phone. And you might ask, what about the storage? Well, you can carry thousands of books inside it. Plus, all your books are stored into the Amazon account. So you can download them again anytime whenever you need it. Well, what about the other features? If you like audiobooks, you can pair Bluetooth earphones and listen through Audible, but that is with Kindle OSs and not with this model. Also, Kindle syncs across devices, so you can start reading on your Kindle, pick up from the same page on your phone or tablet whenever you are using the Kindle app. So, this Kindle Paperwhite, who is it for exactly? Well, the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for those who are book lovers, who read a lot. Well, second is for people who travel and don't want to carry heavy books around them. Third, students and researchers who need to use a lot of viewing documents as well. Or anyone who wants to read more and scroll less. Well, speaking about the price, that is the Kindle Paperwhite is usually priced around 16,999 in India. Well, it is a bit on the expensive side at this original price, but you can surely get some discounts during the Prime deals or any Amazon sales for about 13 to 14k. Yes, it is a bit of an investment, but if you read even a few books a year, it's totally worth it. because it will last you for years and years to come, and nothing will happen if you take good care of it. Plus, the ebooks are often cheaper than the physical books that you usually buy, and there are many free ones available as well once you are an Amazon Prime member. Well, you can also sideload them as well. Let me know if you want me to make a video on how you can use the Caliber app to sideload books, EPUBs, or other documents in the Kindle. Send to the Kindle also works through email. I will cover it if you want it. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see that as well. Another bonus tip that you can do on the Kindle is some people have even jailbreak the Kindle to get it out of the Amazon ecosystem. Well, this has got them more usability out of it for sending files, browsing the internet, and more varied formats for reading. And the most important part is get rid of the Amazon services, which some people don't like, as they keep adding restrictions every year because of their monopoly. Some people even try to play games like Tetris, etc. on it, so it feels laggy because of the ink display, which has a low refresh rate. However, I feel that jailbreaking is a stretch if you have no intention to tweak your Kindle or just want to use it daily for reading, which most of us do. Well, what are my final thoughts about the Kindle Paperwhite? Well, the Kindle Paperwhite has helped me to read more consistently and more comfortably. No distractions, no eye strain, and no carrying extra weight for the books as well. If you love reading and want to build a habit, I highly recommend it to give it a try as well. Well, if you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech reviews. I have kept the review short and to the point. However, if you got any questions about the Kindle, drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help as well. Thanks for watching.